Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and update on Jasmy. All right, wanted to give you my thoughts. I've been mostly bearish on Jasmy in the last couple of days, but I've turned a little bit more neutral. All right, to be honest, I'm still looking mostly for shorts on Jasmy. I think if you look at this move and if you look at the market structure in general, this is a downtrend, all right? You can say a lot about the price, and you can zoom out a lot and say, well, we're actually in a big uptrend and a big bullish structure. But even on the 12-hour time frame, all of the EMAs are sloping down right here. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, it's even more clear. We've been in a downtrend, and for me, I don't see enough reason to believe that downtrend will break. All right, so that's why I'm still mostly bearish. And then apart from that, and we also talked about this yesterday, we've seen this kind of phenomenon happen before, all right? So Jasmy has rallied quite a bit since Friday, but then that rally, first of all, doesn't really have that much momentum. And it's also, it seems to me that it's designed to liquidate a lot of shorts. So that's what we saw at the top. Right here, you saw that we reached that top at 2.5 cents, which is also a resistance level. We knew that a lot of shorts were opened. There you saw a lot of short liquidations up to the top. And that's why I was mostly bearish. Now, I have changed my mind a little bit and became neutral because, first of all, well, if you look at the technicals on the 1-hour time frame, what I would say is that, all right, well, the EMAs right now are actually flat. So on the 1-hour time frame, technically, that means we are consolidating. And from a consolidation, you could be bullish as well. All right, I still think, due to the direction of the market, and from Jasmy specifically, I still think a downtrend or a continuation of the downtrend is more likely. But then again, what we also saw in the last couple of days is that Jasmy actually gained a lot of shorters again. Right, you can see that the open interest goes up here while the CVD mostly goes down, which again means that a lot of short positions were opened, probably people thinking the same as me, right here. So what that means is that there again is a lot of liquidity in this area, probably. So that again means that we can see, and we have seen it in the past, that these shorts get liquidated. We can see that again. And then apart from that, Bitcoin earlier this morning bounced quite nicely. All right, so there's actually some bullish momentum coming from the markets, sipping down into Jasmy. And then we also saw some positive momentum for Jasmy right here, with some nice long positions being opened about an hour ago. So that's why I have to turn bullish a little bit. All right, so I was bearish, turned bullish a little bit. That makes me neutral. For me, the most important thing is to wait for confirmation for Jasmy. All right, I sincerely do think that both scenarios are possible, a bullish and a bearish breakout. I think the market will have a big influence. So if Bitcoin turns very bullish here, I think a bullish breakout for Jasmy becomes much more likely, of course. Here you can see that there's a little bit of liquidity to the upsides, also to the downsides, but still. Up to 2.6, there is a lot of liquidity, so that is in that area. For me, the most important levels to watch are 2.55 cents, so 0.0255, and 2.25 cents, so 0.0255. 225, excuse me. Wow, I said the same number. So wait for that confirmation, all right? Because at this point of time, like I said, the market structure is bearish. We've had some short liquidations. That's enough of a reason to assume we're going to drop down. So that's a realistic possibility, something like this. But we're also gaining some momentum on the short term. There's liquidity to the upside. The market is a bit stronger. So a bullish breakout right here is definitely possible as well. Now the only thing we have to wait for, and I hate to say that because yes, this does mean that we can go up or down. That's crypto for you, all right? You don't always know what's most likely, but you do have to know when one of the scenarios is more likely, all right? So now at least you know. I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Take care and bye.